been really angry. Pero I think he would be proud about kasi I didn't ask for it.
Ilan lang ito sa mga detalyeng ibinigay ng musikerong si Jim Bacaro bilang bahagi ng kanyang salaysay sa insidente ng bugbugang kinasangkutan ng kanyang nobya, ang aktres at fashion blogger na si Maria Isabela o Sab Magalona. Tumutugtog daw ang kanyang banda sa isang private birthday party na inorganisa ni Ellie Buendia nang may dumating umanong isang grupong hindi naman imbitado. Kabilang doon ang magkapatid na kinilalang sina Michael at Sarah Gogler. Ayon kina Jim at 5 pang complainant na dumulog sa Barangay Kapitolyo, hinawakan daw ni Michael si Sab at sinapak ng 3 ulit sa muka. Kasong physical injuries ang inireklamo laban sa grupo.
Actually, 6 yun eh. 6 yun na gate crash eh. 3 lang yung identified. And then nagkaroon ng altercation at umawat si Ellie Buendia. Pati si Isabel Magalona na umaawat din. Sinuntok daw siya ng 3 times sa ulo nila. Pero walang sinabi kung anong dahilan. Hindi nga maintindihan kung may nag-trip sila or something.
Kinumpirma ito ni Sab sa kanyang Spell Sab blog, which she posted on June 3.
Yes, I was punched on the head several times by an intoxicated man. The unruly gate crasher was part of a group of uninvited guests to an intimate and private birthday celebration. The celebrant and other guests were also attacked.
Dahil 10 oras na, hindi na raw inabala pa ni Sab ang kanyang inang si Pia upang ipagbigay alam ang insidente.
So I didn't want to wake her up and worry her, diba? Of course, she was very angry. You know, she said, parang as a mom, diba? She was like, I should have known about this as soon as it happened. And I think I handled it very responsibly. Some of the people who were there wanted to fight back, diba? But I said, it's not gonna get us anywhere, diba? You won't, parang you're just the same as them if you fight violently. So sabi ko, let's just let the law do its thing.
Kaagad namang umaksyon ang nakasasakop na barangay na nagpadala pa ng summon sa magkapatid na Gogler.
And the other day, hindi nakapunta si ipat yung lawyer niya na pumunta rito, yung lawyer ni Miss Magalona. Inireset namin. Nag-complain din yung pribato, yung owner ng building. Sa gulo, nasira yung button yata nung elevator.
Tinunto ng Star Talk ang tahanan ng magkapatid na suspect.
Dito po ba sila nakatira?
Dito.
So, nasaan po sila?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa sila bumabalik?
Hindi yun.
Pero aware ka po ba dun sa nangyari?
Wala ako lang. Wala.
Guard po ba hindi?
Maintenance.
Maintenance. Okay po. So, ikaw may nakatanggap ng...
Yung dalawa magkasunod.
Na
sa barangay.
Bagamat may umaareglo raw sa kaso, Sab is determined to pursue her complaint.
You know, of course, it was still a very traumatizing experience. But now the case is with our lawyers. I don't want to go into detail, but yes, the girl who struck me, she said sorry right after. Pero diba, parang para sa akin, hindi naman pwedeng sorry lang, diba? Kasi nag-sorry sa akin na parang, ay, ikaw pala yan, sorry.
Sumaya lang ang mood ni Sab nang magtanghal ang kanyang banda nitong Miyerkules sa launch ng Yahoo OMG Awards.
I said life goes on, and I'm very thankful that my band, we're only a year old, and we're nominated right now sa Yahoo Celebrity Awards. And I hope you guys can support us. We're called Cheats for Best Emerging Band. And my family also, Celebrity Family. And also Elmo as male performer.
Ngunit ang mas nakapagpapasaya kay Sab ay ang tiyak ng pag-iisang dibdib nila ng nobyong si Jim. Sa isang event noong May 23, masayang ibinida ni Sab na naganap ang pagpropose ni Jim sa kanya sa Japan.
I just got engaged, so yeah, I'm gonna get married soon. So I've been busy with wedding plans. Hindi ko alam na mag-propose na siya, of course. So nagulat talaga ako, and I'm just so happy na my family was there. And parang nag-propose siya in front of my family, and of course he asked for my mom's permission before doing anything. It was beautiful kasi it was in under the cherry blossoms. So ang ganda talaga. He was my college batchmate. So we've known each other for 9 years. Been together for 3.
bilang patunay ng kanyang pagmamalaki sa kanyang husband-to-be.
Pinaprotektahan niya ako dito. Shy siya, shy. Tawagin niyo shy.
Tanggap ba ng kanyang ate Maxine na mauna pa siyang ikasal?
Hindi, okay lang sa kanya kasi love na love niya yung boyfriend ko. And she's super duper supportive. She's my maid of honor. So.
Sa kanyang Instagram account, sinabi ng kanilang inang si Pia, and we quote,
I love you, Sab and Jim. You have my blessings.
unquote. Samantala, hindi maiaalis na pagtakhan o pagdudahan ang kawalan ng malinaw na pinag-ugatan ng gulo na kinasangkutan ni Sab sa party. May mas malalim pa kayang dahilan ang nasa likod ng insidenteng naganap noong May 31. Ngunit na-post lang ni Sab nitong June 3